My name is Max Schulman. I'm an arable farmer from Finland. The risks have gotten much higher, and there are risks that you can take care of. Market risk quite well. There you have some tools and all these, and usually you also have been able to mitigate a little bit the climate risk by making sure that you have their good new varieties, but also plant protection products in your portfolio that you can use. And now we see that the plant protection side is actually getting smaller and smaller. So we are, as farmers, are getting quite worried that can we anymore in the near future make sure that we can produce the quality and the quantity. And I'm putting first the quality because that's what the food chain really needs from us. So I would say that the biocontrol by itself is something that today farmers would like to see, because first of all they have also started to become more aware of what's going on. I mean, also from the consumer side, you come more into sustainability, to the sustainable approach and all of these, but also they have seen that the new chemical ones, or the ones that we are used to use, they are not as effective anymore. So now we are trying to see how do we actually connect with the nature together with the biologicals in our crop rotation to be able to make an even better impact when it comes to plant protection. So people are really interested to try out these new products as long as we can get our hands on them. And that's a challenge that we see today. There are not enough of them on the market yet. Engage in discussion to make sure that we will get better regulation put in place, more simple regulation that takes in consideration really the needs when it comes down to biocontrol. Now it is just one part of everything. We need to make sure that they understand that these has to be taken care of and made so that they can really find their own path, so that they can actually be on the market faster than what they are today, because we are facing the challenges today. So I think that we have to make sure that already from a lower level we have these educational programs for the agriculture schools, but also going all the way up to university level, so that also the advisors that will come out at some stage also have a knowledge about this. So you need to make sure that the whole chain understands what's going on, because that's the only possibility. The food chain is very long and very wide. So education, not only to the farmers, but also to the rest of the chain is very important. Start with something small and then you add in, and then you see, because you will actually get more and more interested in taking the next step the further you go, and then it will start pushing also the companies to bring in more biocontrol close to you so that you will have the availability.